Good day. So I'm just Romary M. Labrador and I will be doing the CW1 activity Switch It in Data and Digital Communications 2. So here's the first problem. For the question 1, I need to figure out where the switch will forward the frame. First, I'll look at the frame information at the top left. I can see that the destination MAC address is 0D. This tells me that the frame is trying to find the computer with the address 0D. Next, I check the MAC table to see if the switch already knows where computer 0D is located. Looking at the table, I see there is only one entry for 0C on port FA5. The address 0D is missing from the table. Because the destination address is not in the table, the switch considers this as an unknown unicast frame. So the rule for an unknown unicast is that the switch must flood the frame. This means it sends the data out to every single active port except for the port where the data came from. So looking at the diagram, the data came in through port FA9. So the switch will flood the frame to all the other connected ports, FA1, FA3, FA5, and FA7. So I will check those boxes. For the questions 2, when the switch forwards the frame, which statements are true? So the answer for this are switch add the source MAC address, which is currently not in the MAC address table, and frame is a unicast frame and will be flooded to all ports. So that's the question for the first problem. So next, new problem. So for the second problem, for this next problem, the situation is different because the switch already has more information. I look at the frame again, and the destination MAC is 0E. Now I check the MAC table. This time I see that 0E is actually listed in the table. The table tells me that 0E is connected to port FA9. Since the switch knows exactly where to find the destination, it doesn't need to guess or flood. It simply sends the frame directly to that port. So I will check the box FA9. For the next question, I need to describe what just happened. Since the switch found a match in its table, this is a standard unicast transmission. It means it doesn't flood because it already knows the address. So the correct statement is frame is unicast frame and will be sent to a specific port only. So next new problem. So for the third problem, we have a new scenario involving both learning and forwarding. So for the first question, first I check the frame. The destination MAC is 0B. Next, I look at the MAC table. I can see that the 0B is listed and it is connected to port FA3. Since the switch knows exactly where 0B is, it will send the frame directly there. So I will check the box for FA3. For the next question, there are two things happening here. First, the source bank is 0A. When I look at the table, 0A is missing. The switch always learns from new sources, so it will add 0A to its table. That's why I check the first box. Switch adds the source MAC address. Next, because the switch already knew the destination 0B, it didn't need to flood it, just send it to the one specific port. So I also check frame is a unicast frame and will be sent to a specific port only. So that's it. Thank you.